You are looking at an Orton Type C heavy-duty endless bed single surfacer, serial number 381. I bought this machine in 1990 from a Burbank machinery broker who told me it used to be owned by the Universal Studios prop shop. The capacity is 30 inches wide by 12 inches deep. It really is designed for very large beams and boards. At the time, I also contacted the Orton Machine Company, which was still in business, and obtained all available literature and instructions for this machine. They informed me that this serial number was built in 1945. I've completely dismantled and refurbished it, including replacing previously damaged gears on the bed raising and lowering device, which I will demonstrate in a moment. Gears here, and there are also gears captured inside the casting on each side that run off of these worm gears. The knives are recently sharpened and it is in very good working condition. It has good belts, new brushes on the bedways, and the oiler for the endless bed is working. This oiler, shown here, ensures that the endless bed tracks slide smoothly over the bedways, and it's probably the most important point of lubrication to ensure the machine continues working for years. I've taken the covers off so that you can see the working of the belts, but I have the exhaust hood or vacuum connection and the covers here, which will cover up those things that I was able to show you. I'm going to operate the machine for you now to show how it works. There's an alarm up here and a light that goes off with the alarm. I've unwired it, however that alarm still works. I presume it was installed by somebody at Universal to prevent the bed from being raised all the way into the knives. I'm also going to unwire the rest of the workings of the motor in the not too distant future. I'd like to sell it before then. This is a 20 horsepower motor. I have it wired into a 30 horsepower idler with a phase converter. The phase converter and idler are not part of the asking cost. Here's the belt that runs off of the motor shaft to run all the other mechanisms. So when we start it, the first thing we do is we check that the lever that runs the bed is all the way in, although when the bed is close to the top as it is now, it's going to run anyway. It's just a little bit of extra load when the motor starts, so it starts a little more slowly. And then we also check that there's oil in the oiler, and I've already filled that part way, and I made sure that it was lubricated before we start. So here we go. Here's the raising and lowering mechanism. Here's up.